Maybe you're new to YouTube and you want to experience the world and the community that is there. But first you need to start subscribing to get their videos. That's what we talk about today, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe, start creating. Now this video is part of my YouTube Basics playlist in which I deep dive into the very simplest things. You may be new to YouTube or you might just need a refresher. The playlist is up here, and for you to get the most out of the YouTube experience, you want to start collating, curating your own collections, your own playlists, and the best way to do that is subscribing to channels. You know, that button that's underneath the video, the big red one that says subscribe. If you click on that one, you then get my videos all the time put into your subscribed lists. But maybe you want a little bit more in-depth tutorial. Let's go to the computer. Okay, so you found a new channel that you really love and you want to subscribe to, but you're not quite sure how. Now, what you do is go to one of their videos or you go to their channel, but let's say you've randomly stumbled across one of their videos. Now, once you watch their video, you'll be able to scroll down, and underneath the video, it will give you their channel name, their video description, and you'll see here a big red button that says subscribe. Now, to subscribe, you simply click the subscribe button. Now, you'll notice that once it's subscribed, that it will pan out and it'll give you the options to turn on notifications as well, or it may suggest other channels for you to subscribe to above as recommendations. You simply click the subscribe buttons there. Now, if you're on mobile phone, it's very much the same. You go to their video, you enjoy their video, you scroll down, and there will be a button, if you're not already subscribed to their channel, that says subscribe. You click that button, it changes, and you may get the option to turn on notifications. And there you go. You've subscribed to their channel using a mobile phone as well. If you need more help with basic YouTube features or leveling up your game, there's a playlist up here. Remember to hit subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials from basic to intermediate all the way through to the advanced. Hit the notification icon so you're alerted every time the videos go live. Go out there, start creating.